Got a little news flash for you guys, especially you guys who are in relationships or in LTRs or even marriages especially. Got a little news flash for you. And that news flash is that happy hour ain't just about half-price appetizers. So if you're a girl, especially if she works in the city, she works a good distance from home, and she's like, honey, I'm not coming home straight after work today. I just want to avoid all that traffic. I'm just going to go have some drinks with the girls. We're just going to go get some appetizers. It's half price, save some money, and then I'll be home after. Want you to understand, okay? Happy hour just ain't about those appetizers. Your girl knows that there are guys hanging around that bar, okay? Because most happy hours take place at bars, right? Sure, they might be in a restaurant, but the restaurant ain't serving no happy hour. It's at the bar. You go to any restaurant, if you sit in the dining area and you go, hey, how much is happy hour? They'll be like, there ain't no happy hour here. You got to go to the bar. See where all those people are, where everyone's flirting with each other? You got guys, you got girls, you know, that co-ed environment over there? That's where it's half price. You got people getting drunk. You got people friggin' getting tipsy. People are buzzed, you know, and your girl is in the thick of this. So just understand that, you know, if your girl is running off the happy hour, this is just a haven for pickup, for game, for people hooking up. It's an easy place to meet your girl. Okay? It's an easy place to meet your girl. When it comes to being in a monogamous relationship, there's no reason for your girl to go there. Okay, I mean, if she wants to go out with her girlfriend after work or anything like that, they do not need to be running off to no happy hour where they're going to be dudes there, especially dudes like me, dudes like my wings, dudes like my students. Because these are some of the easiest places to go pick up girls. Easiest. Because they're coming to the bar after work, right? They're having drinks, so they're getting a little buzz going. They're feeling a bit more relaxed. They're happy because now they're finally off work. They're in a great mood. And they're usually there with another girlfriend, right? And this, hands down, is one of the easiest places to pick up girls, to meet girls, to escalate physically with girls, to go home with girls. This is one of the easiest places to do it, is a happy hour. This is high on my list for one of my top 10 places to go and game girls, is at happy hour, right? This is the easiest place just because it's the perfect setting. People are in the right mood. It's generally not that crowded like a club would be. And it's in an environment where you can socialize, and you're supposed to socialize. You're supposed to talk to people there. And the girls are not rude. They're pretty nice because, again, they're in a good mood, and they're usually there with a girlfriend. And you know what? They're usually there hoping to get picked up. They're usually there hoping some guys talk to them. They're usually there hoping some guys will keep them company. Some guys will join them. You don't know how many girls, like after like me, if I've gone solo or if I've gone with a wing, and then we just invite some girls to our table, or we just flat out sit at their table and invite ourselves. The girls are like, oh, we're so glad you guys had the courage to just sit here. That's so cool. Yeah, we're so bored. We're so bored, you know. Next thing you know, we're making out with these girls, doing other things. We're bouncing to another venue. And then all of a sudden, like one of them goes, hold on, I gotta go make a call. Right? She's like hiding it. Oh, I'm going to the bathroom. Then you see her on her phone calling. Who's she calling? She's calling her man. She's calling her boyfriend. It's like, oh, sorry, I'm going to be home a little bit later. Hey, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys, man. Don't be a fool, you know? Because you would think, like, oh, okay, I don't let my girl run off to the clubs. She's not going to the clubs. She's not going to Vegas on the weekends. She's not doing girls' trips. But they do go to happy hour every once in a while. It's harmless. No, dude, it ain't harmless, man. It ain't harmless. She should not be at these happy hours. She should not be out there drinking, because I'm telling you now, it ain't about the appetizers. It ain't about those half-price drinks. It is about exercising her open hypergamy. You know what they should call happy hour? Hypergamy hour. That's what they should call it. Because that's all I've seen from happy hour, man. All I've seen are chicks acting hypergamous. Every single time we go to a happy hour, it doesn't even matter where. Especially when I used to go travel a lot with my wing, we would save our appetite for happy hour because we knew we could do game and eat at the same time and meet girls at the same time, you know? And usually, no matter what town we were in, we would just Google and find out where the best happy hours were, and we would go there. And you know what? Without fail, we just met tons and tons of girls. And sadly, a lot of these girls were in relationships, right? They were in relationships. Now, I've told you guys personally, for me, my pickup code, my code is if I see a wedding ring on the girl's finger, I don't go there. Just because a lot of times the girl will have children, they have kids. I don't want to cross that line. I've done it in the past, and you know what? I've almost wrecked a couple of marriages when I was younger, and I don't want to go there again. So I don't go for married women. I'm in abundance. I don't care. I could pick up girls who are single. I don't need married women. And, you know, sadly, a lot of married women are the easiest to pick up, especially if they're at a happy hour. But any girl, period, who's in a relationship that actually goes to a happy hour is generally open to being picked up. She'll never admit that to you. It's like, oh, like if you go, hey, I watched this guy M's video, you stupid ass, you going to happy hour or something? No, you ain't going to have no happy hour anymore. She might say, oh, don't listen to him. I'm just going for my girlfriend because I don't want to deal with traffic. I'm not picking up any guys. There's nobody there. Nobody's there. There are people there. She's lying. There are guys there. She's meeting guys there. Okay, she's meeting guys there. There are plenty of guys at happy hour. Plenty of girls at happy hour. This is one of the best environments to do pickup. I mean, I tell you guys I do like Starbucks game a lot because I go to Starbucks a lot. But you know what I love better than Starbucks? Happy hour. That's my favorite place to do game. Whenever I do day game, I make sure it's like, oh shoot, oh, it's almost 4 o'clock, time for happy hour. Right? And I just like venturing into new bars, new restaurants that offer happy hour where there's a good crowd going, a good vibe. I like a good positive vibe. I like an area where there's like a lot of companies, workplaces, and facilities nearby. Like, especially if I'm in, say, the Bay Area, if I'm like visiting my parents, I like to go to happy hour by the Google campus, by the Facebook campus, by Silicon Valley. Oh, I love those happy hours out there. If I'm in San Francisco, I will go to the happy hours by the financial district. There are tons of restaurants, tons of bars there where they have happy hour. And you know what? Like I said, everybody's always in a good mood. Okay, it's not like at a club where a lot of these girls are like standoffish and whatnot. I mean, happy hour is actually 10 times easier than a club. This is why I wonder, why do people even bother with Tinder? Why do you even bother with Bumble? Just go to happy hour, right? It's like Tinder in real life. Tinder in real life. Right? And then you don't have to message a girl for weeks and weeks to try to get her out. You meet her right then and there. Perfect place to meet girls. And if your girl's going there, you know, you might want to think twice about that. You might want to think twice about that. Because if your chick is running off to the happy hour, chances are what she's also doing is probably hiding her cell phone from you, password protecting her electronics, her laptop, her iPad, her social media, you know, stuff like that. Might be password protecting all that stuff because she's got something else going on. You know, again, they shouldn't even call this happy hour because it's not even fair. Just call it hypergamy hour. I mean, doing game in there is not even fair. It's like, as I said in Wedding Crashers, it's like fishing with dynamite. I love happy hour. I mean hypergamy hour. I mean happy hour. With that said, I'm going to wrap up here. Until next time, this is M from the 33 Secrets. Do not forget to destroy that like button below. I want you to destroy it, guys. Please destroy that like button for me. Do it for the DeLorean. Do it for Cash and Gizmo. Just destroy that like button. Do it now. Also, hit that notification bell right next to it so that you're notified whenever I release a brand new coaching video here on the YouTube. More importantly, guys, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, especially because they don't like me doing coaching videos like this. They don't want to promote me anymore. So I need you guys to help me out. And the way you can help me out is by subscribing to my channel. Okay, it's free. It doesn't cost anything. So hit that subscribe button right now so you could get more free, high-value content from me at no cost just by being a subscriber of the 33 Secrets. And for you guys who want to support my work and all this red pill, gold pill, and platinum pill content that I am teaching you on the YouTube even further, the best way to do that is by jumping into my monthly online coaching program, 7 Months to Mastery, where I'm teaching guys just like you how to go out there and approach and close the hottest, youngest, and most beautiful looking women on the planet. I'm talking about 8s, 9s, and 10s, the same exact type of women that myself and all of my coaching students all around the world are out there approaching and closing every single week. And I kid you not, we are making this happen every single week, regardless of what racial division is going on in the world, kind of virus is going on in the world. It doesn't matter. We are continuing to live our lives and making things happen 24/7, 365 days a year, all around the world, in all 4 corners of the world. And I want you to join my tribe. I want you to join our crew. I want you to become one of us. And the way you do that is by jumping into 7 Months of Mastery. And right now it's only $1 for the entire first month of mastery coaching lessons from me. And all you need to do to get signed up is click that link below in my description box. It will take you over to my website where you can get signed up right now. It just takes 2 seconds. So do that now, and I will see you in my next coaching video. Say goodnight to the DeLorean. Good night, DeLorean. Good night, stainless steel. Back to the Future dream. Good night.